Hi, this is Matt from Prestige Quoting, and in this video we'll be having a look at a new QuoteWerks 5.4 feature, Find. There are several ways to use this. First, you can find it from the right-click or Edit menu, or you can simply hit Ctrl and F. This will launch the small Find window and allows us to search for any line item field with operators such as contains, less than, greater than if it's a number field. So best way to see this is to try an action. So I'm interested in finding any line item where we've got the phrase engineer and I'm looking at any column. So if I hit find, it will highlight the line and then in kind of the white indent it will point out where that word or that phrase appears. So if I find next, we can see on the same line we've also got the word just there, and on our next line we have it in the part number and the description field also. I can filter that to only look at the fields that I'm actually displaying, and I might want to say where it must contain, is empty, not empty, equal to, whole manner of things. So again, if I now perhaps put the word business, it's found that my Office 365 Business Pro Plus and Business Enterprise is found just there. I might be interested in perhaps finding any manufacturer field that is empty. And again, we can see it will now scroll through and find all of those that are empty. And of course, it's going to ignore the two at the bottom because those are populated. If I were to be looking at a number field, such as profit margin, I've got some new options such as less than, greater or equal. So I could say something like, show me all the lines where the profit margin is maybe less or equal to 15%. So if I scroll through, ignoring all of the heading lines, we can see I've got a couple of lines at the bottom just here which are below that threshold. It will also give me the actual number within this find utility as well. It might be that because I've found these two items at the bottom just here, it might be that I wish to colour code those as red, just as a visual indicator for anyone else coming in looking at the document.